Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Deloitte finally hiring for the any graduate, freshers and experienced professional, and Cognizant analyst trainee Superset survey is there for the freshers hiring 2026. So in the video we will discuss about everything. Subscribe to our Online Learning channel, like and share the video. All videos are for all of you and we are sharing the genuine hiring opportunities with all of you so you guys can get placed as soon as possible. Okay, first of all I will show you the Cognizant update. Cognizant apply for analyst trainee digital workplace practice role. Freshers hiring 26 analyst trainee for 3-year graduate. Dear candidate, greetings from Cognizant. We appreciate your interest in Cognizant analyst hiring drive. Initially this job posting was open for multi-cloud role, IT integrated smart operation. At present the requirement is specifically for digital workplace practice DWP role. In this role you will be responsible for providing technical supports to client, troubleshooting and resolving IT issues. So if you are interested, just fill this survey. Okay, you have to simply select I agree and just submit the form. There is no problem at all. Okay, this is related to the 2026 hiring of Cognizant. One thing that I have to mention, for this opportunity both 25 and 26 batch is eligible for that, and if you are from 3-year courses like BCA, BSc, you are eligible for this. Don't worry, soon you will see the Gen Z hiring opportunity from Cognizant as well. Okay, so finally Deloitte announced the Associate Analyst Executive Assistant Support USI Leadership Support Center. Okay, in this they clearly mention any graduate, freshers or experienced candidate with less than 11 months of experience in admin assistant role, good working knowledge of Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. Hyderabad is the location, 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. One thing that I have to mention to all of you, that when you go to our page, so you will find this thing 500 plus coding question and answer and 100 plus resume templates. That is very important for all of you. So you will update your resume before applying to any of the job opportunity. Okay, we have priority DM, so you can check and must apply. It's a great opportunity to start your career. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.